Hakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with halachot of Shabbat. Right when we're starting with the concept of being me'aneget Shabbat, there's a minhag of Israel to eat dagim b'Shabbat, and there's many different reasons why should we eat dagim on Shabbat. Some people say that according to the data, the Arizal HaKadosh, it's good to eat fish on all three seudot, but some people say no, the ikar is Friday night. Other people say that the ikar is Shabbat morning, and other people say that the ikar of the Arizal HaKadosh was said for Seudah Shalishit. So each place will do their minhag, right, about eating fish, even though it's very important to eat fish in all the meals. Nevertheless, he says, it's not a chovah to eat fish, it's only minhag, and therefore if a person does not like fish, or all the more so if fish actually is bad for his health, so therefore he shouldn't come and start going and exerting himself to eat fish. Right, it's the exact opposite. His oneg Shabbat will be with other things in itself. Now, where exactly does this come from? So it's actually very interesting, right? That there are some people that they want to say that kol ha'ochel dag biyom dag nitzol midag. That anybody that's going to eat dag biyom dag is daled and gimel is 4 and 3, which is 7. So anybody that eats fish on yom 7, which is on the 7th day, nitzal midina shel geinam, which is dag, dina shel geinam. However, though, he comes and he says, so where does it actually come from? There's many different reasons why you would actually eat fish. Some people say, and this is actually brought down in whether it's going to be the Shulchan Aruch Harav and others as well, which is actually something very interesting, right? They bring down that this is based upon the Torat Chaim that is brought down in the Biur Halacha. He says, is that since we have to be me'aneget Shabbat, just like it's going to be Shabbat in the future. Shabbat in the future, when it's going to be Yom Shekulo Shabbat, which is Lati Lavo, he says, Yesh la'aneget Shabbat with Dagim, because that Seudah will be Seudat Shorabar ve'Livyatan. Meaning, there it's going to be a Seudah with Shorabar and with the Livyatan. So therefore, just like in the future, we're going to come and have, whether it's going to be a Yom Shekulo Shabbat, a day which the entire thing is going to be Shabbat, and there we're going to benefit and enjoy ourselves from the Livyatan, which is a fish. So therefore, so too here, we should try to emulate that and try to benefit and enjoy ourselves with a fish. Again, a Pia Kabbalah, there's a very important inyan of eating fish as well. However, though, again, this is a halacha, which nowadays, it could be that since a lot of people do not eat the fish, it could be it's not that much of a chovah as it was beforehand, and therefore it all depends on the person. If they enjoy fish, and then especially that a Pia Kabbalah, it is important, so at least try to have fish. And then again, you have the question, how many seudot? Is it all the seudot? Is it more the nighttime? Is it more the daytime? Is it more the Seudah Shlishit? However, though, you do have the different shitot, and each place will do the minhag, but the concept is that we should try to benefit and enjoy of having fish on Shabbat in order that we're trying to enjoy on all the different types of foods on Shabbat, because that's a mitzvah doraita of oneg Shabbat.